Compact by name and compact by design, the Weber Compact Charcoal Grill is ideal for anyone short on space. Big on quality, it includes a plated cooking grate and rust-proof aluminum vents for proper airflow to make barbecuing easy. The rust-resistant lid and bowl are made from steel and porcelain enamel, coated inside and out. This makes them weatherproof and extremely durable. The weatherproof handles are made of glass-reinforced nylon and have a protective heat shield. Rust-proof aluminum vents on the lid that slide open and closed easily provide the proper airflow for perfect barbecuing. The kettle comes with 2 large, durable, crack-proof all-weather wheels to make the kettle easy to move. For convenience, the rust-resistant aluminum ash catcher lifts out for easy ash disposal and cleaning. The cooking grate is plated, making it extremely durable. The Compact Kettle BBQ has a 10-year limited warranty. The Weber Compact Charcoal Grill fits in small spaces and comes with big barbecue features. It's easy to use and compact enough to hide away when finished. Truly a fantastic charcoal grill.